Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser for your HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.6 2022. So to begin, we'll need to open the app gallery. Now find the Microsoft Edge. And install it. When it's ready, you should be able to open it. Click on I agree. Here you need to sign in or skip it to turn on synchronization. You can also enable or disable data sharing preferences. Set Edge as a default browser. And finally get to browsing, so open any website. And as you can see, the browser works just fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.